Friends, do you remember that feeling of trust? That tank-like build quality? That camera that simply had no match? Yes, we're talking about Nokia. And now, Nokia is staging a comeback that is about to shake the entire smartphone market to its core. Today, we are talking about a device whose specs are the stuff of dreams. A 144 megapixel DSLR level camera, and a battery that simply won't quit for 2 full days. Meet the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. If you too have been searching for a legendary smartphone, then this video is for you. Because today, we are going to unlock the complete blueprint of this beast, its leaked features, price, and launch date. Get ready, hit that like button right now, and let's dive straight in. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. First, let's talk about its sheer beauty. Reports suggest the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G will feature a gigantic 6.89-inch LTPO OLED display. This is no ordinary screen. It comes with a stunning 2K resolution, and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Meaning, whether it's scrolling or heavy-duty gaming, the experience is going to be next level. And hey, forget about accidental breaks. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass armor, and features an IP68 rating to keep it safe from water. This isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature everyone is waiting for, the camera. According to our sources, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G will boast a quad camera setup. And its primary sensor, folks, it's a jaw-dropping 144 megapixels. Yes, you heard that right, 144 megapixels. This is going to give you DSLR-like detailing, whether it's day or night. Alongside that monster, you'll get a 32 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 24 megapixel telephoto, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor. And if you're a selfie king or queen, the front features a glorious 50 megapixel shooter. Performance. When it comes to performance, this beast will be powered by MediaTek's latest and most powerful processor, the Dimensity 9500. Gaming, multitasking, or running heavy apps, this processor will never lag. And for the operating system, you'll get the silky smooth experience of Android 16. Battery backup. Nokia knows you demand non-stop performance. That's why it's packed with a monster 7500 mAh battery. A battery this big means you can practically forget about charging. And to juice it up, you'll get 100-watt ultra-fast charging support, with a USB Type-C General 2 socket. This phone will charge up in the blink of an eye. Price and launch date. Now we come to the biggest question of all, how much will this marvel cost you? According to leaks and market analysis, the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G could launch at a price point of around $700. However, Nokia has not yet made any official announcement regarding its launch date. But with the way these leaks are pouring in, we are about to hear something big very soon. What do you think of this legendary comeback? Let me know in the comments below.